In our last video, we talked about the perfect formula to find winning products. So now, assuming that you've already found the product that you want to market, you came up with a good store and domain name, and so now let's go to the back end to edit the settings and just tweak a few things and then start the trial and we'll be good to go. This is something you won't see elsewhere, so please pay attention. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. Alright, so let's get a general settings right here. So most of this stuff, you're not even going to need to edit or anything like that. One thing we'll do really quickly is go to legal and automatically create template legal pages. So we'll do this refund policy, the privacy policy, the terms of service, and the shipping policy. We'll just leave that. So we'll save that really quickly. And there's no use for it right now, but whenever we create the pages of the store, that's when it comes into play. So let's go back to settings really quickly. Then most of this stuff, you really don't even need to change. Yeah, most of it is honestly exactly how it needs to be. So let's go to checkout really quick. And here, I don't even use accounts, so let's keep accounts disabled. And so to checkout, we're going to use email only because we want to be able to market to their email, not to their phone number, because you can get into some trouble if you just market to someone's phone number or anything like that, like SMS reminders or anything. So you can click this so that they can add their phone number if they want shipping updates to their phone. So they can commit to doing this so you won't get in trouble. So you make sure that you have that check. So it is an option, but I always do email and phone number, requiring first and last name. Company name is hidden. Address line 2 is optional because not everyone has an apartment or anything like that. Shipping address, phone number is optional as well. Shipping address, phone number is hidden while the customer is in checkout. You can do both of these. Use the shipping address as the billing address by default because most people live at the same place at their billing addresses and no one wants to type that out if it's not necessary. And also enable address autocompletion. And so after an order has been fulfilled, automatically archive the order. Additional scripts? No. In the email marketing, you want to show a sign up option at checkout. So just know that in most stores, checkout pages are automatically displayed in English, and so these are just the general settings. You want to do just a few tweaks here. And so we're going to click save. We'll go back to settings here, and then the other thing we're going to change is the shipping. Alright, so under domestic, we're going to click edit really quickly, and I'll show you exactly how you can do shipping rates. Alright, so here it is. Instead of free shipping, what we have here is priority insured shipping. It includes a tracking number and insurance for if your product is lost, damaged, or stolen. So I made sure to say it includes a tracking number just because who doesn't want to track their order, right? Of course, either way, we're going to do e-package shipping, whether they do the $0 option for free or the $3 option for priority insurance shipping. So either way, they're getting an e-packet. But a lot of people take this upsell because they want insurance and peace of mind for something that they're spending $20 or more. And also, it's about price anchoring. I mean, if someone is spending $15, $20, $30, or even $50 or more on a product, $3 for extra insured shipping is nothing compared to the main price of the product. So this is a little trick that you can do, and it will give you a higher average order value. And it's as easy as that. So that's it for the store settings. If you think you're ready to start your store, watch our other dropshipping tutorial for free and sign up on Shopify using the link below. If you're into scaling your dropshipping business and want to make it your full-time job, check out an awesome dropshipping course in the link below. Again, please, if you found this video useful and I think I've given a lot of value in this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. I'll see you on the next one.